Hello all office executives, I'm back again with another Excel problem set scenario, and in this problem set scenario, working as a Reliance Electric office executive, I was given the task to find out that how many range of disconnected meters between the range 10 to 20. So how many meters are in the range of 10 to 20, and then greater than 20 but less than 30. So how can I find out of these people, they have the disconnection data. So in this range of cell, I'm not considering only one cell, but I will be populating the value within this cell. So I'm selecting all of the cells, and you will be using the function frequency. After that, I will be pressing Ctrl A to open up the function dialog box wizard. So what data array is showing is that data array is an array or reference to a set of values for which you want to count frequencies. So data array is an array or reference to a set of values for which we want to count. So what is the range of values? This is the range of values. Fine. And what is the set of values? So bin array is an array of or reference to interval into which you want to group the values into. So grouping will be based on this set of values. Now I'll be pressing Ctrl Shift Enter from my keyboard. Since it is a range of cell, if it had been only one cell, we have pressed Enter. But this is since a range of cell, we'll be pressing Ctrl Shift Enter. So now comes the part of finding out whether the result is populating correctly or not. So let me check the value D10 to D14, D10 to D14. Fine. So what we need is that 10 to 20 between number filter between 10 to is less than or equal to 20. We are having 6 values. Count 6, but our answer is coming 4 values. 10 to 20, we are having 4 values. Okay, so maybe I selected let me again rerun the function. Frequency data array is this whole set of data, comma bin array is this set of data. Let me press Ctrl Shift and Enter. So now I think the problem set scenario is showing the correct result. So it is so let me check it out. So between, so number filter between, so between 0 and which is less than or equal to 10, this is the first set of value, we are having nothing. Then the second set is 10 to 20. So I'll be again applying number filter between, and what is the value? We'll be having 10 to 20. We are having 6 values. How can I know of such? Just look into the status bar, it is showing count 6. Very good. So now we'll be having some other set of result as well. So we'll be having from greater than 20 but less than 30. So between number filter between, it will be greater than 20 but less than 30. So we are having 2 values. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and while doing the practical all by yourself, if you have faced any issues and you are finding it hard to just go along with my video and the way I have tried to explain this video, that how this frequency function is used. And if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, drop some comment. It will boost my motivation to make more of such videos in the later future time. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.